In the last lesson, we saw how to bring in the audio clips from different music instrument onto the multi-track editor. In this, we are going to work with the mixer in real time to edit the audio. So in order to do that, let's go to the mixer channel and let's see how what happens if we play it. So if I were to play this, press play, you can hear the audio levels. Just like a live mixer, you can actually reduce the volume, increase the volume, and so forth. You can also add in individual effects right over here by going on to effects right here. Let's say I want to add in a delay over here, or an echo, or a studio reverb. We can do that. So let's say, for example, for the hands, right? So let me just decrease this. For the hands, this one right here, this audio track, I want to add in a bit of a reverb. So I'm going to go to reverb right here, go to studio reverb, and you can hear an immediate change. So I'm going to make it more wet. Alright, so you hear that sort of an effect. So I'm just going to close it. So I'm going to change this. Maybe I want to also change the volume right here. Right, so you can work with the individual level of volume by this, and the panning as well. More over to the left, more over to the right, and so forth. So you can work out with this in real time, as you can see. What you can also do is record this in real time while you're editing. In order to do that, right now you can see that here it just says read, so it does nothing. It does not record anything manual. See, what I can do is I can go for write in each one of these. So what it does is, as I play along, it'll record what I do with the mixer itself, and will record all of the things that is going on. So now once I do that, I'm going to press play and I'm going to change the settings. So the music is playing. I'm going to increase this out right here, increase this, maybe decrease this out. Alright, so now what it did was it changed everything into touch. As you can see, that is, there is a data. So if I were to move anything further, it'll replace it out. So over here, I'm going to go to the beginning itself, and when I play, you'll see that everything will actually play it, and everything, the sliders and everything you see here will start moving automatically according to what I did previously. So you can see that this moved up on its own, this moved up. So everything that I did previously actually got recorded right here. And if I were to change something, it'll get recorded because it is in touch mode right here. But if I don't want it to record, I can simply get it off to read mode, and it won't do write anything that I actually touch. So it'll record. That has been changed. You can see that everything changes, but even if I were to change this, it'll move on back to place, will not record anything. So that is how you can work and edit in real time by using the recording feature in the multi-track editor inside of Adobe Audition. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.